honestly, the palm oil market is like a jungle. You need to be very smart. You need to be very alert when you are doing this business, especially here in Nigeria. Half of the time, what you see is not what you get. Let me tell you this straight up. You see, the way palm oil business is very profitable. Trust me, once you get scammed in it, it can literally cost you your entire life savings in the blink of an eye. You need to be very smart. You need to be very alert when you are doing this business, especially here in Nigeria, because people are moving mad out there. My name is Sido, and you're welcome to the Sido Hub channel. This channel brings you all the updates and secrets you need to become financially okay and stay protected. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to join the family, and don't forget to like and share this video so others can see this and not fall into these traps. I'll wait for you while you do so. Good one. Thank you. Alright guys, listen closely because I need to be sincere with you right now. I've been through it, and honestly, the palm oil market is like a jungle. You see a vendor online or someone gives you a contact and they show you these beautiful red thick pictures of oil, and you're already calculating your profit. Wait, should I bust your brain? Half of the time, what you see is not what you get. The biggest mistake you can ever make is sending your hard-earned money to a vendor you don't trust, you don't know, or you don't even have a physical connection with. In fact, if nobody you know can vouch for them, why are you even clicking send? Look, I know the cheap price is kind of tempting, but that is exactly how they catch you. Now let me tell you this, because this part really gets me annoyed. Imagine waiting for weeks for your supply to arrive from a distant state, only for the truck to drop off your kegs and the oil is smelling like something died inside. I'm talking about spoiled oil, guys. This happens a lot when you are dealing with distant vendors. They know you are not there to smell it or taste it, so they pack the old, fermented, low quality stuff at the back of the truck and then send it to you. By the time you open it, the vendor has already blocked your number, and this is why I always tell people, never send money to vendors without actually seeing the oil or having a trusted person. I mean, a trusted person, not just anybody, a trusted person. You need to have a trusted person on the ground to do the physical check for you. It's risky business, honestly. And let's talk about this particular scam, because this one is a classic wickedness move. You go to the market, you see the oil, it looks great, yeah, but guess what? The scammers have filled the bottom of the keg with water. I'm not even joking right now. Like, they fill the keg about 30% or 40% with water. They pour the palm oil on top. You know, since oil floats on water, when you open the cap to check, everything looks perfect. You even dip your finger and think, wow, this is a premium stuff. But the moment you get home and try to pour it out, that is when the heartbreak starts. Even if you are buying it yourself physically, you can still fall victim to this. The best precaution, and I need you to hear me on this, is to always go with your own empty kegs. Yes, always go with your own extra kegs. If a vendor refuses to let you pour the oil into your own keg right there, just turn around and walk away, because that is a massive red flag. That's not all. it doesn't even end with the buying. What about the selling part? The selling part is where I personally took a massive L. I remember when I first started this business, it was so green and trusting. I took 4 kegs of oil to a buyer and she only paid me in full 1 keg. She gave me this long story about how she would pay for the remaining 3 once she sold them out. She told me she was going to split the oil into small 1, 2, and 5 liter bottles to resell. And I thought, okay, she seems nice. Like, yeah, she seems nice. Let me just help her out. Guys, that was the biggest mistake of my life in this business, in this palm oil business. Every time I went back for my money, she had a new excuse. Oh, the market is slow, or I haven't sold the 5 liters ones yet. It was a nightmare, guys. I ended up chasing that money for months until I almost lost my mind. Looking back at it now, I realized I was just being naive. If you ask me, you should never ever give your oil to a vendor or a buyer without collecting your complete money at hand. I mean, always collect your money, cash at hand. I don't care how much they promise or how holy they look. Once that oil leaves your hands, you lose your leverage. You will end up hating the business because of someone else's greed. It happened to me, and I'm telling you this so it doesn't happen to you. You need to be firm. It's either cash on delivery or no delivery at all. If you can't collect your money cash at hand, don't deliver at all. In fact, the palm oil business is great, but you have to have a street mentality to survive. You have to ask yourself, is this person trying to play me? Okay, so is it stressful to be that careful? Yes. It's better than losing 500,000 naira in one day. Absolutely. I've seen people lose their entire capital because they wanted to be kind or because they were too lazy to travel and inspect the goods. Don't be that person. Be the person who asks the hard questions, the person who insists on using their own kegs, and the person who demands their full payment up front. You understand? So guys, I really want to hear from you on this one. Have any of you ever tried palm oil business? Or maybe you've encountered some of these scammers or even different ones I didn't mention. Please share it in the comments section below. Your experience might actually save someone else from making a huge mistake. I'll be down there replying to your comments. And look, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the Big Sido Hub channel. We're all about making sure we get to the top together without falling into this pit. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all next time.